passing through Botswana and planning to leave the airport during your stop? You may need a Botswana Transit eVisa. This visa is for travelers who are transiting through Botswana and want to exit the airport before continuing their journey. If you remain inside the airport and do not go through immigration, a transit eVisa is not required. The Botswana Transit eVisa must be applied for before traveling. It is not issued on arrival and cannot be extended. This visa allows short transit stays only. Working, studying, or long stays are not permitted. Transit eVisas are available as single or multiple entry options, with different validity periods based on your travel needs. To apply, fill out the online form, upload the required documents, and pay the visa fee. Once approved, the eVisa is sent to your email. Apply early and provide correct details to avoid delays. If you plan to leave the airport during your layover, the Botswana Transit eVisa helps ensure a smooth transit.